What up, y'all? This is no, damn. You said.
What up, QuTee gang? This is Queen.
And I'm Tari.
And together we are QuTee gang.
Gang.
Okay, so today we decided to do a mukbang.
Mukbang.
Shout out to really.
Shout out to my sister TT.
TT.
Hey girl, we see you.
Ah.
She made this delicious dinner. Actually, it was for Father's Day, but she gave us a plate, you know.
Yeah. And happy Father's Day to all fathers out there.
Fathers out there.
So today we are eating, we got black eyed peas, we got some rice,
mac and cheese, cornbread, and grilled pork chops.
Yay.
I grilled them.
So look, I'm hungry.
We got to pray.
Well, let's pray. You do the honors.
Okay. Thank you for this food that we're about to eat. Amen.
Amen.
That was good.
That was great.
It wasn't what I would really do, but you know, it's okay.
It was good. It was good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So what we gonna talk about today? We have nothing to talk about. You know, like what you want to talk about?
Well, first of all, I want to talk about. I want to not really talk about it, but I do want to hint on it about what's going on now. To George Floyd family, we are so sorry for your loss again. And our life matter too. I don't like the fact that the police is doing what they doing. Like, y'all would expect us to trust y'all. And how we gonna trust y'all? You shooting, look at you. Turn on the TV now. Nowadays, you turn on the TV, it's another cop that shot another black man. A white cop shot a black man. Unarmed. So it's like, okay, when y'all gonna stop? Like, we have done nothing to y'all. We mind our own business. You know, so it's like...
Your food gonna get cold.
Well, okay. And I just said I was hungry now. Okay, so...
I've been hungry.
Oh.
Black eyed peas, buzz tea.
And I love black eyed peas and rice.
Well, I really never ate black eyed peas, really.
Really?
I think I had it like 1 or 2 times. I don't remember.
I like it, don't you?
And I never cooked them really.
I do. I like any kind of peas and rice. I do.
I like rice, period.
I don't like pinto beans. Butter beans. But scratch that. I do not like butter beans. I hate butter beans. It's a taste in your mouth.
I never ate butter beans. I really don't know.
I don't like butter beans. Butter beans can just whoever invented them need to be shot. Well, this is button. Too good. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. What you want to talk about, baby? We're sorry. First off, we haven't ate anything since this morning. And so, this is our first, like, actual meal of the day. So, we're getting hungry.
Yeah, pork chop, no.
Oh, the real pork chop, yes.
Everything busting on this plate. Ooh, I'm mad they only got this plate. You know they want some leftovers.
Girl, I should get this cornbread taste like cake.
I don't know. It looked like cake because I was the one that had to cut it.
Really? Oh, yes, Lord. You know me, I love cake. Can't turn it down for some reason.
Oh, this apple juice.
Kind of wish it was your milk. But
not me, because I don't drink, really.
You don't. You really don't.
I be in the sky too much.
Oh, I got some A1 sauce. I just remembered that.
You want me to get it for you?
Please, please. Please, 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 please. Okay, in a minute, I'm finna get real country on y'all. For real, for real.
Oh my God, please.
I'm about to, cause this, look, every real country person know when they get full and it's good, they put this down and pick these up. Am I lying? I don't think I'm lying.
Which one you want?
That one?
This one?
Yeah. Thank you, babe. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all got to excuse me. But it's the country in me, and I'm finna be it.
Oh, it ain't open.
Yeah. Shit.
Don't do that.
Baby, when it's good, it's good.
I know, but...
I ain't had black eyed peas and rice in a long time.
Shout out to my daddy with these stool chairs.
Thank you, OG. That's what's up. Your dad cool. Your dad a real cool cat. Our family cool. Our whole family is like more laid back. And it's it, like, they don't do the drama. They don't do the you know, it's just real cool.
Chill.
And I let my do shit real. Shout out to my do.
What up, mama? I know you watching.
But I thought it played good.
Nah, that ain't gonna be no more.
Shit.
TT, you got some more?
We'll be over there tomorrow.
Right.
For the leftover. I eat leftovers.
Dang, TT, I think you got me on the mac and cheese, though.
Y'all running neck and neck right about now. Oh, Lord.
Ooh, this tastes like a Sunday dinner.
It is Sunday.
Bruh.
Oh, got him.
Hey! It is Sunday. Dang, I'm so slow.
Well, this is like life right now. Okay, so look, the pork chop, it has big, she barbecued it. Remember I told you, think I'm making good, you see what I'm doing? Okay, so the smoke taste, oh boy. I say I like sauce on my, if I do eat pork, and I rarely eat pork, but when I do, I have to have me a little sauce. So the sauce with the smoke taste and the meat so tender. You want to see the meat? Look at that. Ooh, you can see the juices. Yes.
And see, like,
So tender.
I thought I had some coals, right? I ain't had none. And I ain't feel like going to the stove. So I used some tree sticks. That's what I grilled this meat with, some tree sticks. And it was grilling, boy. I seen the dude, he was looking like, damn, she got that grill on. Like, damn, this is a nice plate.
I can't get over the cornbread tasting like that on cake. I ain't never tasted no cornbread
It
that
do
tastes like
taste
cake.
like cake, though, for real. I ain't even gonna lie. What is this, Jiffy?
This ain't no Jiffy. This ain't the Jiffy.
I know it's some Jiffy. I know that's Jiffy.
I'm tasting like them.
It do taste like a cake.
Yeah. Girl. Girl.
Trust.
Try. Ooh.
I'm trying to full a little piece.
Me too. This was.
Give me one too.
This meal was everything. This meal was everything. I told y'all, they can cook. Whole family can cook. But this cornbread just blew me like, you got cornbread tasting like cake.
It looked like cake too.
Yeah. Cake. Pound cake. My Lord. Brought a tear to my heart. For real. So, I know y'all just been watching us stuff our face, but I'm sorry. We hungry, and we had to get it in.
That it was kind of messed up that we did it when we hungry because we weren't really talking about it.
We weren't really talking, but y'all enjoy seeing us eat, I'm sure. But yeah, what else should we talk about? Cause see, we kind of got on here. We like to be spontaneous.
I know that see, when you eat some good old food, see, I don't smoke cigarettes.
Speak. I want one right now.
But I need that little piece. This calls for a piece.
This calls for a
Yeah.
I don't know how y'all do that damn thing. So I ain't I love retarded. What you do?
I don't know, that's something
Wax on, wax off, geek. But yeah, so
I'm done.
You done?
You still got some on your plate.
I know, cause
She was playing with the plate.
I was not playing with no plate.
It just gone.
I was not playing with no plate. I ate more than you. It was more on my plate than it was yours anyway.
You is right. You know what? No, it wasn't. But no,
Yes, it was. Don't play with me.
She was trying to eat cute and shit.
But I got done and dirty. Like I said, she put more on my plate because she fixed my plate. There was more on my plate. I think this plate was meant for you. And that plate was meant for me.
It was. But
now see, and she gonna try to front on me talking about, oh, you over there playing with your plate. No, you got my plate. Say something. Yeah, get something. I'm hungry. I'm not hungry. I'm full. Jesus. I'm full. If I eat any more, I'm gonna stretch my gut than what it already is.
She was playing with the plate. But
keep on here.
We finna slide up out of here.
Keep on.
Cause you know what I do.
Whatever. See, no.
All right, y'all.
No, ain't no alright. We ain't going nowhere right now.
Home, babe.
No, we still got more.
No, babe. We finna be done.
They want to know more.
We done.
We got to give the people what they want.
I'm done. I'm finna go. She could be on here. I'm finna go. But for real, we finna go. We'll be back. We just finna go. What? How you do it?
Make sure you share, you like and subscribe, and hit that notification button. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. You sure?
It just went down the wrong pipe.
Wrong pipe?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Go ahead. Hit the button. It's all boom. You gotta touch the phone. That's all you gotta do. Then do.
All right.
And Sherry.
We'll holler at y'all later.
See you later, QuTee gang. Love you.
Peace and love.
Peace and love.